Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add products to your store on Squarespace, so let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I have a website which is sort of a test store that I've created, and I'm going to show you guys how you can add products to this. Now, to add products on your store, you're going to go over into the left-hand side, click on Products and Services, and click on products. Once you're here, you're going to be able to add different products. You can add physical products, services, downloads, or gift cards, and you can add whichever you want. Click on the tab you want and click add whatever it is. For example, for physical products, as you can see, I already have some examples which have been by default added to this template. But if you wish to add a product, just click on add product in the top right and then select what you want to add. Custom merch, gift card, download, service, or physical. I'll add a service just as an example. Then once that opens, just enter the name as well as the description. I'm just going to add some random letters. You can also add additional info if you want, as well as an image, but I'm not going to be adding that. Then you're going to need to set up a price. I'll just set it as $10. This can be on sale as well, and select a sale price that you can edit that afterward on your site when you edit your products. You can set the stock. I'll just keep it at unlimited. As you can see, you have an unlimited stock option here. You also have the SKU, which you can change, I'm pretty sure, if you want, just like that. And you can also add variants if you want. I won't add any, but that is pretty much it. You can also add subscriptions if you want to your products, which I again will not be doing. You can also add categories and tags to your products to make organization easier. I'll just add a custom category. For example, I'll just add test, click add, and that is the category that I'm going to be adding. Then you can add more if you want to, and let me just tick this off just to make sure that it is in the test category. You can also set up some selling tools such as product add-ons, which you can add freely. You can add it as a featured product, which will be displayed in the summary blocks on your page, as well as adding related products and product reviews if you so choose. Then you can set up SEO and URL settings, as well as social share. You also have checkout forms, which you can create custom forms and custom buttons for, which I won't be doing. But once you add all the needed information, you just click save, and that should save the product on your page. And as you can see, if I go into services, it has this test service right over here, and that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.